Is Chainlink safe technology? How does it really work and why should we use it? Today, as blockchain developer, I'll answer this question. Whether you're a blockchain enthusiast or just curious how smart contracts get real-world data, you're in the right place. Let's get started. So what exactly is Chainlink? In simple words, it's decentralized Oracle network. But what does it mean? Let's break it down. Imagine you have a smart contract on the blockchain. It's like self-executing agreement with terms directly written in the code. But for that contract to work in the real world, it often needs external data, like weather information or stock prices. That's where Chainlink comes in. Chainlink acts as a bridge between blockchain smart contracts and real-world data. Here how it works step by step. Smart contract request. First, a smart contract on the blockchain requests specific data. For example, a smart contract for crop insurance might need weather data to determine payouts. Chainlink's decentralized network of nodes receives this request. These nodes then fetch the required data from the various off-chain sources like APIs or data providers. To ensure accuracy and reliability, multiple nodes retrieve the same data. Chainlink then aggregates these responses to form a single, trustworthy data point. And finally, the aggregated data is sent back to the smart contract on the blockchain, enabling it to execute as intended. This process ensures that smart contract can interact with real-world information securely and reliably. Now let's talk about benefits of using Chainlink. Decentralization. Unlike centralized oracles that rely on a single source, Chainlink uses multiple nodes. This decentralization reduces the risk of data manipulation and single points of failure. Security. Chainlink places a strong emphasis on security. It uses cryptographic proofs to ensure data integrity and prevent tampering. Plus, the network's reputation system incentivizes nodes to provide accurate data. Flexibility. Chainlink is blockchain agnostic, meaning it can work with various blockchain platforms. This flexibility makes it a versatile choice for different projects. With a growing ecosystem and strong community support, Chainlink continually evolves, integrating with more data providers and expanding its use cases. Of course, no technology is perfect. Let's look on some challenges and downsides using Chainlink. Complexity. For newcomers, setting up and managing Chainlink oracles can be complex. It requires a good understanding of both blockchain and off-chain data sources. If you want to see how to create a real project using Chainlink, just write in comment your idea and I'll create a tutorial with a step-by-step guide. While Chainlink decentralizes the data fetching process, it still relies on external data providers. If these sources are compromised, it could affect the data reliability. Cost. Using Chainlink isn't free. Data requests and Oracle services incur fees which can add up, especially for projects with frequent data needs. Scalability concerns. As the network grows, ensuring scalability without compromising security and decentralization remains a challenge for Chainlink. Security is a huge concern in the blockchain space, and Chainlink takes it seriously. Chainlink employs multiple layers of security, including cryptographic proofs and decentralized node operations. This means even if some node compromised, the overall system remains secured. Additionally, Chainlink's reputation system ensures that only reliable nodes are rewarded. However, it's important to stay vigilant, as with any technologies, continuous improvement and audits are essential to uphold security standards. Now let's explore some practical applications of Chainlink that you might find interesting or even useful in your own projects. Decentralized finance. Chainlink provides accurate prices feeds for cryptocurrencies, which are essential for lending platforms, decentralized exchanges, and stablecoins. Insurance. Smart contract can use Chainlink to access real-time weather data to automate insurance payouts, like paying farmers automatically if there is insufficient rainfall. Gaming. Blockchain-based games can use Chainlink to integrate real-world events such as sports scores or player statistics to influence in-game mechanics and rewards. Chainlink can track and verify the condition of goods during transit, such as temperature and location, ensuring transparency and accountability in supply chains. These are just a few examples of how Chainlink's making contract more powerful and versatile by bridging the gap between blockchain and real world. Interested in using Chainlink in your own projects? Here are some steps to get started. Learn the basics. Start by understanding smart contracts and how they work. Platforms like Ethereum and Solidity are great places to begin. Explore Chainlink documentation. Visit the Chainlink documentation to learn about setting up oracles using Chainlink contracts and integrating data feeds. Join the community. Engage with the Chainlink community through forums, Discord, and social media. It's a great way to get support and stay updated on the last developments. Experiment with tutorials. Follow online tutorials to build simple projects to get hands-on experience. Websites like CryptoZombies offer you interactive learning. By taking these steps, you can start leveraging Chainlink's powerful Oracle network to enhance your blockchain projects. While Chainlink's the most well-known Oracle network, there are some platforms that offer similar services. Let's quick look on the Chainlink's analogs. Band Protocol, a decentralized Oracle platform that focuses on the cross-chain compatibility and customizable oracles. API 3 enables API to act as first-party oracles, enhancing transparency and reducing trust assumptions. Teller uses a proof-of-work mechanism where miners compete to add data points, ensuring data accuracy through incentivized mining. DIA, Decentralized Information Asset, an open-source Oracle platform that emphasizes transparency and community-driven data sourcing. Each of these alternatives has its own strengths, so based on your project's needs, you might find one that fits you better. It's always good to explore your options. To wrap things up, Chainlink plays a crucial role in connecting smart contracts with real world, providing decentralization, security, and flexibility. Whether you are building in DeFi, insurance, gaming, or supply chain management, Chainlink provides you the reliable data to make your project successful. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. If you have some questions about Chainlink or its alternatives, drop them in comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and stay in tech.